you all are fine. Welcome back to our EVS class. So students, as you all know, we were doing chapter number 12 and our summary part is completed and also a notebook part, book work is completed. So only notebook work is pending. So, today we are starting with the notebook work. So everyone just keep your notebook with you and your some stationery items also. So you all have to write with me. Firstly, we will be starting with the keywords, then we will do very short question answers, and in this session only we will do very short question answers. Okay, so hope you all are fine and ready to do this, and your writing should be neat and clean. So now let's get started. So everyone, right here lesson number 12, plants and their care. Plants and their care. And at the right side you will write the date. Date is 14th of October 2020. 14th of October 2020. And also at the left hand side you will write classwork and make a heading of keywords, because firstly we are starting with the keywords. Okay, so the first keyword is lateral. What is the meaning of lateral? As I told you that lateral roots, right? Side roots or lateral roots? Lateral roots. So what is the meaning of lateral? Lateral is like connected with the side of something. किसी भी चीज की साइड से जो चीज कनेक्ट होती है, that is known as lateral. That is known as lateral. 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 Write it. Okay, after that the second keyword is organisms. Organisms are the living things. Organisms are the living things. Mainly that organisms are very small living things which we can see with the help of microscope. But here I am talking about the organism, which means living things. Okay, organisms, organisms. So living thing that is so small and that we can see with the help of microscope. Okay, the next is vertical. Vertical. Vertical means going straight up in the upward direction. Going straight in the upward direction by making the angle of 90 degree. 90 degree का angle बनता है, बिल्कुल straight line going up. Okay, so that is the direction, vertical direction we can say. Vertical, vertical. After that, the next is horizontal. Horizontal means going from side to side, not from up to down. It's going from side to side. Okay, that is horizontal. 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 Then next is manufacture. 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 So manufacture means to make something in large quantities by using the big machines. Okay, by using the machines. So manufacture is to make something in large quantities is known as manufacture. 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 Then the next keyword is modified. Yes. Modified. to change something slightly, किसी भी चीज को थोड़ा सा change कर देना, that is modify. See, I am writing here M and I want to make it more attractive, so for that I will modify it, means I did little change in it. Okay, so that is mean of modified. It is applied everywhere. Okay, then next is storage. Okay, storage means the keeping of things until that is used, means बहुत time के लिए हमें जो चीज़ को store करके रखना होता है, that is the storage, to keeping the things. Okay, then next, that is the last one, what that is trunk. Trunk is the very strongest part of the tree, that is stem. Stem is the very strongest part of the tree, as is also known as trunk. Trunk, trunk. So these are the 8 keywords. Again, I am repeating: lateral, organisms, vertical, horizontal, manufacture, modified, storage, and trunk. After that, make a heading of very short question answer. So we are starting with the question number first. First question is, name the 2 main systems that plants have. Name the 2 main systems that plants have. 2 मेन सिस्टम्स. मेन सिस्टम बताने जो प्लांट्स के पास हैं. मेन सिस्टम्स दैट plants have. Okay, so how many two main systems are there? I hope you all know the names. Yes, the part of plants are divided into 2 parts, 2 systems, and first system is the root system and second system is the shoot system, right? So here we will write the names. So firstly write, plants have 2 main systems. 2 main systems. Plants have 2 main systems. First is the root system and second is the shoot system. The shoot system. Is it clear to all of you that there are 2 main systems that plants have? Plants have 2 main systems. First is the root system, second is the shoot system. Okay, after that, write it fast, then we will do question number 2. Okay, so question number 2 is, what type of roots does a wheat plant have? What type of roots does a wheat plant have? Wheat plant have. So as you all know, examples I told you, and that will be the same answer for maize plant, millet plant, grass plant. Okay, so answer will be the same for everyone, like wheat, maize, millet, grass, ऐसा कुछ जिसकी roots का bunch होता है. Okay, so what type of roots does a wheat plant have? Wheat plant have fibrous root, right? So it have a bunch of roots. and fiber like roots. So here, so in the exam I can ask not only wheat, I can ask about the millet, I can ask about the maize and grass also, so don't get confused. Okay, so keep the examples in your mind about the taproot system examples and the fibrous root examples. Okay, and also the shoot system. So what type of roots does a wheat plant have? A wheat plant have fibrous root. A wheat plant have fibrous root. Okay. I think in your book only 2 questions are given, but we are doing one more. So that is for your general knowledge. This question is for your general knowledge. So third question is, name 2 famous environmentalists of India. Environmentalists of India. So we have to tell the two famous environmentalists of India. Okay. So write the answer. As you all know about the Chipko आंदोलन, I told you that in some villages कुछ ऐसी ladies थी जो trees को कट होने से बचाना चाहती थी, and they just hold the trees very tightly, and उन्होंने trees को बहुत tightly पकड़ लिया था ताकि कोई भी उनको कट ना कर सके. Okay, to save the environment they did that. So name 2 famous environmentalists of India are right here. The Chandi Prasad Bhatti and Sundarlal Bahuguna. Chandi Prasad Bhatti and Sundarlal Bahuguna. So that is all for today. Today in this session we did only keywords and very short question answer. Again I am repeating the question answers. First was name the 2 main systems that plants have. Plants have 2 main systems. First is the root system and second is the shoot system. Root system consists only root. And what is root system? Root system that grows under the ground, right? I can ask any of the question like what is root system, what is shoot system. So your content should be clear. Read the chapter every day. Now what is shoot system? Shoot system is a part of plant which grows above the ground. Okay, and it consists of stem, leaves, bud, flower, seed. Okay, fruit also. Then question number 2. What type of roots does a wheat plant have? What types of roots does a maize plant and millet plant, does a grass plant have? So a wheat plant have fibrous root, and the same for maize, wheat and grass and millet also. Then name 2 famous environmentalists of India, Chandi Prasad Bhatti and Sundarlal Bahuguna. So these were 2 famous environmentalists of India, and they did very much for the India's environment. Okay students, I hope you all have done this. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, one more thing, I know that I have forgotten to send the previous chapters question answer in the form of Excel sheet, word sheet. So I will be sending this time two chapters collectively, lesson number 11 and lesson number 12 both. So you all have to write it down in your notebook properly in the good handwriting. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.